Hello, this is Brian from Northern Power and Safety, and I wanted to take you through a quick tour of the feature that we just released on version 25.11.28.03. If you log in or refresh your dashboard, you should see this version, and I am logged in, so I'm going to go show you what we've got going for you. So when we look at our dashboard, we will go to the profile settings because this version is all about reducing work scope creep. So if we go to the settings, what we're going to find here is a text box where you can add approved work scopes. So there's some examples here, but you want to put in a comma separated values list of the work scopes that work for your business and your project. Now this is scoped to the supervisor, so any lockout IDs that are onboarded underneath the supervisor portal that you're logged into will have these approved work scopes. Please keep in mind that this will not affect any of the existing tags, which we will see, and all brand new tags being onboarded will only provide a list of additional approved work scopes and not have a free-form text field. So let's take a look. Let me put in a couple here. So my work scopes are going to be test 1, test 2, test 3, test 4. Now you see that I have just this as plain text, no quotes with commas separating these values. We'll update our profile. And that's all I needed to do. I can double check by going back to the profile. If I need to add some, just go and add them by adding a comma and add another. We'll update that profile. I am going to go here and show you what a new scanned lockout would have looked like without the work scope details in there, and you see that you do have to fill it in by hand, but I'm just going to refresh this and we'll see that all brand new tags that are onboarded after this version, which is live now, will not be able to put in a manual work scope. So this is going to stop the work scope creep and just allow for the work scopes that you have so that all of your paperwork and auditing and everything that comes to you for free with lockout IDs is useful. So you'll put in the name of the technician, company, shift as normal. But then down at work scope, we're going to find that there's now a drop-down box that they can open up with their finger on their phone, and then they can choose one of the work scopes. And then down here, one other change that we did make to make it more clear is that the phone number that is added here has to only be one. It can only be one phone number. And you don't even need to put dashes or spaces. You could just do digits only. And this is required for a functionality of calling. So if this is more than one phone number, it's not going to dial right. If it's all sorts of weird formatting, it won't dial right. So all you have to do for quickness is just put in the telephone number and all the digits and then create the lockout ID. I am not going to do that here. I'm going to go back to the dashboard. So that's the change. The work scope filter. Again, if you want to expand this, you can just come in here, add another one, update your profile. Number 2, I've already got tags here that are under work scopes, so I'm just going to show you that this is not affecting it. We still see these. This is a work scope that wasn't one of the ones that I made, right? So we can just go here and click that edit button. And what we'll notice on existing tags is that we don't have that drop down anymore. You are able to just change this. Let's say it's the BFP number 1 here. Update that. We see that it's changed, BFP number 1. And we see BFP number 1 has changed. So that's the change. It may be small, but I'm sure if you've had frustration with workers that are filling out whatever work scope they have and causing this huge work scope sprawl, then your request has been answered, and we now have the ability within, once again, profile settings to add your approved work scopes. If you've got a really super long list, you can copy and paste that into this box. If you have any questions, you can reach out to us at 617-340-3061. The number's right here. Or you can click on the email support button there in your portal. Please be aware that we are having a Black Friday sale that's going on right now, and it will end on December 2nd of 2025. And any order that you place on the Lockout ID store from ordering tags or go to northernpowerandsafety.com, you will get an extra 12 months of licensing. If those orders, for all those orders that are placed before December 2nd, that means that you will have digital access to the board, editing, all of that, RMA, all until the year 2027. That's an $8 extra value, so it's almost like we're paying you to try Lockout IDs in place of your traditional tags, because each tag is $9.99. Unless you buy a 25 pack, it ends up being $9. You can even get a 10% off those prices by using Welcome 10. Welcome 10, you get 10% off. So you even have it as less. Baked into this, you get 2 years worth of access, which is a $16 total value. So we are paying you to upgrade your safety with Lockout ID today. So don't miss out on this great opportunity to start a POC or to create a digital transformation in your Lockout Tagout process. It begins here with Lockout ID.